by starting a business, you basically get to build on your beliefs. You get to build on your branding. You get to create your own reputation. You are in control of your calendar, your mission, your beliefs and everything. And it's the same as sort of going to the gym every day. You have to put in the reps. You have to show up consistently. You have to be obsessed. You have to be obsessed so much that you're prepared to keep failing and keep standing up and keep going forward and keep refining your beliefs and getting stronger in why you're doing this thing.